Now, before we go outside, and I'm gonna show you some of the features first. You can change the camera angle from here, as you can see. That's perfect. And we have some features over here. I'm gonna show you. This is follow mode. Basically, it's gonna follow you. And lens adjustments, it's gonna adjust the lens. Surrounding flight, it's gonna go around you. Far fly, it's gonna go far from you. And unlock, that means you can use anywhere you want. And rocket fly, is gonna go directly up to the sky. And helix is gonna go like that. For the zoom option, you can zoom in and out like that. And waypoints, basically you can choose the points one by one, and it's gonna go to the coordinates that you put over here. And this is the airdrop. Let's go outside and test it one by one. Now we're outside, and I'm gonna go ahead and fly the drone first. These are the features I'm gonna use. Let's see. Now it flies perfectly. I'm gonna continue with follow mode first.
GPS mode.
Now it's ready. Let's lift it. Alright, let me do the follow mode. Let's go up a little bit and you can see it better. Now follow mode is active. Following my motion. Like that. That's follow mode. Now I'm gonna use surrounding flight. Right now it's surrounding flight. It's rotating around me. You see right there. This is surrounding. Basically it's gonna rotate around you. That's it. At the same time it's recording. And you can just increase the height or decrease the height. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this. Again, press the application. Let's stop. Now it's gone. Okay, let's try to use Firefly. Now it's Firefly. I can go ahead and cancel this and bring it to me. When you press unlock, that means it's just gonna directly go up and down, no matter what. And how about rocket fly? Let me bring it in front of me. All right, rocket fly. You see, it's just going up very fast. And I just canceled it. And helix fly. Okay, it's just gonna make helix. You see, at the same time, it's just rotating around me. Okay, I canceled it. It's just gonna come back. You can zoom in and out like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's zooming. And the last thing is waypoint. You can choose wherever you want it to go. It's just gonna continue over there. Now I'm gonna change the speed from here. Let's see. Currently ordinary mode. This is the high. Now I'm gonna increase it with ordinary mode. Like that. Change the speed to high mode. Now sport mode. Let's see the camera closely. Okay, the camera is very stable. Okay, let's go to the left, right, back, forward, again, left, like that. That's perfect. I'm gonna record some videos and show it to you. It flight about 30 minutes. Let's check the battery. It's 50% left. For the remote controller, it's about 80% left. This is perfect. And let me go ahead and do the airdrop if we want to deliver something. Alrighty, I'm gonna go up in the air and you can see it well. Go forward and go up and airdrop. Perfect. There you go. This is what I have so far. That's it. Successful. That means we deserve to drink. I really like it, and I am very amazed. You know, this is very heavy, but it delivered it perfectly. Hello. I'll be flying about 40 minutes and still 50%. Overall, definitely suggested.